sila. Dia berubah sekarang.
Iya.
So we have another pipe here, which is meant for the phone. This button is meant for the machine itself, the old machine. The other one is meant for the pump to pull out the.
So we hereby launch the first Kericho County organic manure in Capsules and Ward in the name of the Father, the Son. Very nice, very dry, but it's organic.
You can see there's no water. It is already solid. Yes. Yeah, already imetoa solid, but water is already going back.
Yeah.
You can touch. It's already dry. Yes.
Yeah, dry?
Yes, we do.
You see the shape of this, we are using a greenhouse. So we are using the.
Actually, we don't spend so much time inside this room because if you will feel the pressure.
The ammonia.
Because apart from the ammonia, the heat. Yeah, because it's all is covered with only one small ventilation.
Information of brand itself. But now we're using lately, based on our trials, we're using the phone.
We started this farm 2 years ago, and this farm actually had a tea plantation. And one day we received about 2,000 shillings into our account, and it was a lot of question whether it was making sense to continue with the tea farming. And that is the day we decided to move forward to this particular project. So we started with the poultry farm, and starting the poultry farm was also to transform the community. Actually, when we started, it wasn't to make profit, and that is still our vision, is not to make profit, is to transform the community. And we can tell from the people that work with us, the 8 of them, and since we brought them from the village to come and work here, their lives have been transformed. The people that live around us, their lives have been transformed because they're able to come and buy the vegetables at a cheaper price. They're able to get the eggs cheaply. And this dream continues to be the reason why we have the MSAT fertilizer, which you can see right here, is actually a solution to a waste management problem. And we realized if we don't change the waste management, we were going to have a big issue with the community. And out of that waste management, we can now say we can sell the fertilizer, which is actually here. And this fertilizer is actually also feeds, even for the cow.
For the investor, I want to say we are very proud of you. We have seen what you're able to do in such a small space. And I want to tell the residents of Kericho County that you can do so much with so little. And even we are encouraged that they have started 2 years ago. They are not profit making, but I'm sure very soon you want to be profit making. You want to go beyond the equilibrium and make money so that you can encourage particularly the youth, persons with disabilities, and women and others to be able to grow cabbages, managu, and all these other things that we have seen organically, and eat food which is of the right quality and quantity as espoused in the Bill of Rights in the Constitution. Today marks a milestone for us in Kericho County. In 2014, we started what we called One Ward, One Product. And in this ward, you've already had, this is a real industry, supplying eggs throughout Kenya, supplying chickens to the local hotels, to people, and we will be able to export out of Kericho County to other counties and maybe to the region. I know that we have been buying eggs from other countries around, but soon that will stop. As espoused in Vision 2030, where we want to make Kenya a globally competitive and prosperous nation with a high quality of life. When the country put that blueprint into place, it stated that we want to make our farmers business people. And we want to encourage people to come and see this farm, that you not only do production, but you go all the way to business. And I'm very proud that they already have a brand name called EMSAT. Can we clap for this investor? So soon on the shelves of the supermarket, you'll see EMSAT eggs, EMSAT chicken, EMSAT managu, EMSAT manure, and this manure you can mix with your cow feeds and your milk will be the best. So may we wish you the best, and God bless you as you continue with your enterprise. And thank you for taking care of the community also. We don't always have to do things for ourselves, but that you've given employment, these people will pay taxes, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much. Thank you, members of the press, for...
This is a case of converting a problem into a solution. This farm has innovated and found a way of converting the byproduct of the feeding of these birds into a fertilizer. And I'm sure our farmers are going to benefit a lot. This is not only here in that we have problems and challenges. That is, we have it also in coffee. That is also affecting our environment. So this one is the first phase of trying to convert the waste into useful economical products. We shall go to other crops, and we shall partnering together with the private sector, since that is a policy of the government of Kericho. Here with us, we have our staff who are looking to establish a slaughterhouse for chicken in Kericho County. So you'll not be taking your slaughterhouses. You have it here?
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to make it in such a way, we partner together so that we have one of the biggest, so that at least the industry of Kericho grows as far as the poultry concerned and the economy of the county. As a government, she will be, her DG will explain the role of the county government in the establishment of industries in Kericho County.